Welcome to Rockstar Writers, the ultimate writing curriculum designed to turn reluctant students into confident, enthusiastic writers. Created for grades 1 to 8, this research-based program is an all-in-one solution that empowers teachers to motivate, educate, and differentiate writing instruction like never before. Rockstar Writers is built on 3 powerful components. First, the step-by-step writing program. This comprehensive system, available in printable and digital formats, is packed with everything you need to teach writing standards for the year. From scaffolded mini lessons to engaging anchor charts, graphic organizers, original mentor texts, and so much more. It breaks down the writing process into manageable steps for students while offering maximum support for teachers. Second, the student mini lesson videos. These include over 80 animated 5-minute videos that align perfectly with each lesson. They're ideal for engaging students in the classroom, e-learning, or catching up when they've been absent. Teachers love them, and students can't get enough. Third, training and support. Each unit comes with scripted daily lesson plans, real student exemplars, and clear strategies for differentiation. Plus, our exclusive teacher community offers ongoing inspiration and collaboration. With Rockstar Writers, you'll confidently teach writing while helping students boost their skills and enthusiasm. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to Rockstar Writers today.